Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have seen how we can use popover component like this, and you also aware that popover component freeze the screen activity and it wait for the response to remove from it. So I click somewhere else, then it remove. But similar to this popover, we have a popper component also, and that look like the similar to popover, but that do not freeze the screen and do not hold the screen. It just display information like this, and it display information like a pop-ups. So how we can use popper, that we are going to learn here. So like this, I need to create one more button. So I just copy this and I paste one more button and I say show popper like this. Now we have a button like this. I say should be margin from the top, and now I see, so I say should be 10. You see, popover info and popper info. That popper right now it's showing the same because reference is same, but I am changing this. For that I take one more reference variable. I copy this, paste it, and I say anchor popper. Here also set anchor popper here like this. Now I need to handle the separate function also. So for that I say here both the function I just copy, paste here, and I say handle popper click and handle popper close. Same, but in place of this I pass here popper el like this, and here again popper el, and we use this also. So for that I create one more popover type of component. Remember that I copy this popover and here I paste it, and in place of popover I say popper. That is imported now, so I just change the name to here popper like that, and I close this popper here like that. Save this. Now in place of popover I say it is popper component. So you see that all the properties are similar, no changes, but here I say popper. I am changing the reference here. I say popper, and here in button also, if I want to display this, so I have to change the button click. So I say that is popper click. Save this. You see all are same, just like last video. This is pop over, and if you see, if I click on this button, so I am not able to click on one time because it is freezing a screen. So once I have to click free, then I will click on this and it will display, you see, information like this at the top of the screen. But I can click here and it will display this, you see. So it is just changing the information as a popover. How we can control this, that we are going to learn here. Because popper we are using here anchor, you see. So that popper should be anchor popper anchor, not this. That's why it's going outside of this. It should be the button object, not the one. So we have to change this also. It is not this button should be there. So you see, I open this here, I click on this here, you see, it is opening right like this, but it is not removing because we have to handle close also, and we does not require these anchor origin property here. Just we can use placement property here, and this placement property have a top and top start like this kind of information. So we may use placement property here in place of anchor. Pass null here in this reference, then it will close automatically. For that I have to make a trick here. So I say here that if anchor proper EL is there, then it's null, otherwise provide the value. If already value is there, then we can put null, otherwise we provide the target value. Now I refresh it and you see that I click on this, it display, I click on this, it remove, you see. And here we have this, it just remove, it just take over the screen, and I click once again, then it remove. But you remember that it is open and I click on this, it does not display after 2 clicks. But it is visible and it is open, and I click here, so it will display automatically. Why? Because it is not freezing. The popper is not freezing the screen, but this popover freeze the screen. That is the difference between these two. And we can also give position to this popper also, as I explain you that you can use placement property, and with the help of placement property you can decide where to display it. So I say here, I say bottom end or bottom start, like this. Save this, display, and you see either down, bottom start, bottom end, top start, top end, left, right, anywhere you can display this like this. And you see here we have the some type of paper kind of effect that we can also put here. Just for that we need to design this typography. So we can put some property here, like that we can say, I say bg color equal to background dot paper, like this, and I click once again and I give here border also. I say border is 1 pixel solid. Save this. Now you see, like this, we can hide the border also, we can change the color also. So like that way we can also get the same effect as we are taking effect in this. Just we have to design as per the requirement. So I think you understand what is the difference between popover and popper component and how you can use it as per the requirement. That's all in this video. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.